oganda. Elendo ma ogol kod Gavana mar kaunti no Abiguyo kendo som kod jatend weche tudruok e kaunti no Hussein Salesa oro maleyo masani oko gwengego emano magerie moloyo higni 60 mokalo. Tend kaunti no yango ni maloyo ji 100,000 kod jamni mahao milion 1 midhiero ma ikelo kod oro noro. Kendo gikwayo piny owacho mamalo kod jochiw sir mamoko mondo chwalie kony mar reso ngima oganda kod jamni koting'o kony mar omenda, chiemo, chiemb jamni, pi to kod kony mamoko. Gavana Guyo koni oro no bende onyuolo gwandruok e kind jodak makono masani koro laro kuonde kwath kod pi manok mayudore gi thuoloni.
Fellow Isiolo residents, I stand before you today to declare a state of emergency in our county of Isiolo due to the severe drought that we are currently experiencing. Isiolo County and the larger northern Kenya is experiencing its worst drought in 60 years. As you all know, the effect of drought in asal areas have been devastating and taken a massive toll on our communities. Crops have failed, water sources have dried up, and our livestock are dying in thousands. This has severely threatened a crucial source of livelihood for the majority of our people. Our cows and goats are dying as herders watch helplessly. Mothers are trekking kilometers in search of drinking water, children dropping out of school due to hunger and increase of drought. Fuel insecurity as people fight over scarce pasture and water points. The lives of more than 100,000 people, 200,000 heads of cattle, 400,000 goats, 350,000 sheep, and 40,000 camels in Isiolo County are at risk as the drought ravages on. Your support will be put to good use to address the needs of the affected communities. Together, we can make a real difference in the lives of those that are suffering due to this drought.